Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Reporting, Contributions, and Loans tutorial series. This video will demonstrate when and how to complete the Investments Made and Held form. Upon logging into the Campaign Finance electronic filing system, you will be taken to the Report menu. Step 2 in the Report menu is where you will enter any contributions and loans received by your committee during the reporting period. The Investments Made and Held section is a supplemental form that must only be filed by committees that meet certain conditions. This section discloses any investments held outside the committee's official depository account other than a savings account. Examples may include certificates of deposit, bonds, or securities. This section also documents investments or dividends received. Select Add Edit to open the first section and enter any information about investments made during the reporting period, including a description of the type of investment and any identifying numbers or maturity dates, the name of the institution that holds the investment, the date of the transaction, the amount of the transaction, and the name and address of the person acting on behalf of the committee. Disclose whether the investment was held at the close of the reporting period. Then select Save to enter the information into the bottom grid. Click Continue to proceed to the next section. Select Add Edit to enter information about any investments from which interest or dividends were received during the reporting period. Remember, interest received is also reported on the Miscellaneous Receipts form. Again, select Save to add the information to the grid at the bottom of the screen. Then, select Continue to proceed. Next, select Add Edit to enter information about all investments held at the close of the reporting period, including a description of the investment, the name of the institution in which the investment is held, and the amount of the investment. Click Save to add each entry to the grid at the bottom of the screen. Then select Continue to proceed. Once you are finished entering all relevant information about investments made and held by the committee during the reporting period, click Report menu. As you can see, once you have entered information into a section, the link changes from File to Edit. Now that we have demonstrated how to complete the final supplemental form for Step 2, Contributions and Loans Received, we can proceed to Step 3, Expenditures and Contributions Made. This concludes our Reporting Contributions and Loans tutorial series. You can find links and other helpful resources in the description of this video. Subscribe now to be notified as new tutorials become available. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.